Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera K. Becoming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, like the video if you find it interesting, and do not forget to leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. Okay, on this channel we do food and mukbang. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you how to make abacha African salad. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So guys, these are the things I'll be using to prepare my African salad. I have here my abacha. I'm going to be soaking this inside hot water. I'll allow it to soften. Okay, I have my pepper here. I have my potash. I will dissolve it in water. I'll be using the water to prepare this African salad. I'm going to dissolve it inside water. I have my uba here. This is optional if you don't want to use it. In here I have crayfish. I have here my calabash nutmeg, that's ehuru. I'll be grating it. So guys, in here I have my onions and my otazi leaf. This otazi leaf, this leaf is bitter, but not really bitter, but it's very medicinal. So guys, I will go ahead now to soak my abacha inside hot water, allow it to get softened while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. I have my palm oil and my seasoning cube and salt. So guys, I'll be going in with my palm oil. You need a very good red oil. Like, to get this abacha, you need red oil, and a good red oil is number one ingredient in making your abacha. If not, you end up with a mess. Like, when your palm oil is bad, your abacha is not going to come out well. So you need a very good red oil in making your abacha. So right now I'm going in with my potash water. I'm going to mix it until everything. I'm going to mix it inside my red oil. You can heat up your oil, it's optional. I don't want to heat up my oil, so I'm just going straight with the potash water. I'm adding it inside my palm oil. I'm going to mix it until everything is well mixed. So right now I'm going in with my chopped onions. I'm going to mix. So guys, I'll be going in now with my fresh pepper. I'm using both fresh and Cameroon pepper. So this is me adding in my fresh pepper. And this is my Cameroon pepper. You can skip it if you don't want it. Okay, just go in with the amount of pepper you know you can tolerate. So this is me adding in my crayfish. I'm going to mix everything together. I will go in with my uba now. If you are using pomo, you can add it now, but because I'm not using pomo, so I'm going in with my uba now. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. I'm using ordinary no. I didn't finish the other half. I used half. So I'm going to mix everything together until everything is well mixed. So guys, I'll be adding in salt now to balance in the seasoning cube I added earlier. I'll mix this and then I'll be going in with my abacha. I've tested for salt and everything is okay. I'm just adding in my abacha now. I'm going to mix everything. I will mix until it is well mixed. Guys, I'll be going in with the otazi leaf now. I'll mix everything together and then our abacha is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this video. Do you enjoy watching this video? Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, help me to click on the like button, okay, and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay. Click on the notification bell so that you always be notified. So guys, this is what our abacha is looking like. Super duper delicious. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please do not forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel, okay. Until I come here next time guys, bye.